Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, a working network and any critical work saved, because updates can require a restart. Next, open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu at the top right. Once done, choose Settings and then About Microsoft Edge. That page both checks your current version and triggers the update. This step initiates the download automatically when an update exists, so you're directly starting the how and why of keeping the browser secure and compatible. You'll see Edge download and install updates automatically on the About page. Follow that visual progress bar because it shows both download and install stages. Make sure to close heavy tabs and disable or close extensions temporarily, which reduces conflicts and speeds the process. If the update prompts for a relaunch, choose Restart Now or Schedule a Relaunch. Restarting finalizes file swaps and applies security patches. By handling these steps calmly, you ensure the update completes cleanly and your browser remains stable. After relaunch, return to About Microsoft Edge to confirm the version number changed. This verifies the update applied. Then test your main sites and extensions to confirm functionality. Make sure passwords and sync are intact. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip first. Clear the browser cache and restart Edge because corrupted cache often causes display or login issues. If problems persist, run Repair from Windows Settings apps or reinstall Edge to restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.